According to a report published by researchandmarkets.com in May 2020, the global supply chain management market size was valued at about $16 billion in 2019, and is projected to reach $38 billion by 2027. In 2015, more than 11 million people were working in the supply chain field. However, a shortage of employees still exists within the industry. But what is supply chain management? Is it the right industry for you? Welcome to Force Edu, a place where all supply chain enthusiasts come for a weekly dose of knowledge. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, you are missing out on value-adding content. The word supply chain came to prominence only in the 1990s and has not been very popular, but today the pandemic has put global supply chains in the spotlight. This crisis has been an acid test for the supply chains of every industry. Today, the need for talented supply chain professionals is more than ever. A supply chain is a network comprising of demand planning, procurement, inventory, manufacturing, warehousing, transportation and customer service as important functions. Basically, it includes every function essential for the availability of the product or service you consume. From a company selling laptops, to a restaurant, every industry is backed by the supply chain. There are varied job roles and career opportunities in each of these functions. With the development of the SaaS industry, software as a service, the scope of supply chain's career opportunities is only increasing. In this series, we will be covering the various job roles in each function of the supply chain, the daily tasks they involve, the challenges faced, the career trajectory and the essential skills required to perform well. Check out our previous series on the impact of COVID-19 on supply chains and stay tuned to this channel for the upcoming videos of this series.